today we're not gonna record any AMC solutions, nor any competition math tutorials, or nor any math advanced concept tutorial. But today we're gonna make math to be some game, to be some shooting game, to be some game that requires luck, and also some game that's just fun. Okay? So in the beginning we have like $10, and you have several choices. Okay, you have either soldier, which costs $1, or you can have like cars that costs $2, and you can also have and that's it for now. And basically this game is like you have to destroy a tower that represents death. So how are we gonna destroy it? So keep in mind of all of these rules. So we have this, and you have $10, and your level is small. So first, what you want to do is you basically want to put 10 people, which represents addition. Then you get 10 people. Or you can maybe put 5 people and 4 cars. No, 2 cars. Then you get $1 left. And your goal is to destroy the tower. So the tower has a blood of 50,000. Okay, each person deals like 2 points of damage. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, so basically whenever you put people, then basically you addition. Now, what if I want to make more cars, right? Because cars deal 5 damages, and your people only deals 2 damages. Poor soldiers. Retreat. Sting, sting. So we erase these. Now, we would have another car. So we subtract 2 from, so this is subtraction. We put 2 people, we let them go back, and now we get another car. Now we still have $1, but our weapon becomes stronger because each car deals 5 damages per second. Now your tower will suffer more because of more cars. Now what if I want another car? Bye, soldiers. So we subtract 1 from the number of soldiers, and we plus 1 for the number of cars. But that's just addition and subtraction, the basics. And now you're gonna be crying because I was doing more damages, but you barely got you barely got like 100. Okay, so we give 49,000. We still have 49,000 left to go with. Well, actually, 57 is too much for a beginner. So let's just say you defeated 1,000. No, 2,000. Okay, now you have 1,900. Wow, you barely did 50 damages. 1950. Okay. Now you get 4 cars, and now you deal 50 damage. And the rule is that whenever you deal 50 damages, you go up 1 level. From 1 to 2. But then when you deal 100 damage, you go from 2 to 3. And when you deal 200 damages, you go 3 to 4. And then when you go to 400 damages, you go from 4 to 5. So on. So, now, ready for the challenge. Because I have 2, then now I get a bigger weapon. A big weapon that can fire multiple shots. That can fire 10 damages every time. No, 20 damages every time. But I require 4 cars. So are we gonna do it? And basically every time when you upgrade, then you get 50. But every of these cars costs $25. So, but then this one deals 20 DPS. So how are we gonna make decisions? Well, let's make some more cars, Okay, let's make some more cars. And now I make more cars. So now we make 8 more cars, and now we get how many? We get 12 cars. But then each car costs $2, so we only have $34 left. Now I can even make some more, but you know what? I'm gonna try to combine. But when you combine, if you combine these, then you would only take $20. Fair enough. So now I combine these two. Now you erase all of these, and you get an ultimate car. So this is the concept of multiplication, because when you multiply, right, then essentially well, this one is basically not multiplication but division, since you can divide each 4 into 1. But you don't have enough money, so we're gonna wait. Now you deal a lot of more damages. Yes. Now this car is gonna be crying. It only has 1,800 left. Now you deal 100 more damage, so you got to 3. And now it gives you more $50. Now you have 7. Now you have $84. Now I can continue dividing. Okay? Continue dividing. Now for each one I get $20. So now I have only $44, but I have 3 of these ultimate cars. 3 of these upgraded cars that allow me to destroy much more than what I currently possesses. And we have some more here. I have more cars. Now, this is much stronger right now. Now it only has like 1,600. Now again 200 more, so now it becomes level 4. Now level 4 you get another button called multiplication, which is you can cost, but the multiplication costs a lot. $50. No, $75. $75, you can group this. No, not 50, but essentially it's 50 times the number of groups you want to multiply. Because basically from 3 to 4, you will gain $100. No, you get $75. Now you have $119. Now, basically, what does that mean? Now, this means that if I want to group or multiply this by 2, right? So I get 3 more, and now I can have a group of 6 instead of 3. But now, this means that, well, 50 times this. So essentially, we're going to multiply by 2. So we're going to have $100. This is the concept of multiplication, by the way. So you multiply by 2. Now you will only have $19 left. Oh no, I've paid a lot, but now I gain more tanks. Again, more tanks. 6 tanks. Now this one is much more destructive. Now you only have 1,300. You only have 1,300 right now. Now, but it still is not enough to get to. Now you upgraded to 5. Level 5. The higher level. Now you gain something called square, which means that if you have n square, so you have n square number or n times n number of cars, then you can upgrade into a square motivator, which there are n thing here, n thing here, n thing here, n thing here. This is gonna give 4n damages. 4n times 20 damages. Have you ever received this challenge? So now, what's gonna happen is that, well, because we only have 6, right? Okay, now you upgraded, you become, now you have 19 plus, well, 75. $4. So I'm gonna sell one of the cars, which costs 20, so now I have 114. And now I'm gonna begin multiplying. Now I have 5, right? Now I can multiply by 2, so I gain 10. Now I have 10 cars, and that is gonna be destructive and destructive and destructive. But that is not my end goal. I have $140, and now I'm gonna minus 50 times 2, which means I'm gonna, but I already doubled, so now I only have $40. But this costs $100, so I need to fight some more. Now I only have $100. No, this guy only has 900 blood. Now, if you want to go from 6 to 5, you need 1,000 damage. But originally we start with 1,009. So now we get to 6, and 6 you get $100. Now you have $114, and we need $100. Actually, here, let me change it up. We need 50 times 3. We need 50 times $3. But how many do we have? Well, we only have 114, so we cannot use square to upgrade this. Now what do we do? Well, just do some more damages, and let's sell one car. Sell one car, we get 100, and now we have 134. Now what are we gonna do? No, we don't have any more cars. Now we have 9 cars, but our goal is to get to 9. So, because we have 9, then we're gonna have 4m, which is 4 times 3 times 20, and that's 240 damages. That's much higher than 20 damages. But you know what? We cannot afford. So let's just. And now, if we want to, now we cannot upgrade anymore. This is the higher level for now because it's introductory. And in next video, we can try to see some more math concepts that can be incorporated when we have higher. So now, I'm gonna get rid of another one. Now we have 8. Now we can only have the minimum square. The maximum square less than 8 is what? That's 4, right? And square is equal to 2 squares. So essentially, we buy this. We need 50 times $2, $100. Exchange $54. $54, and that becomes. Now I have $54 left, and now we have to get rid of these. Now what do we have? Now the tower is kind of poor right now. It only has 700. But now we have 4 cars plus the square motivator, which from what I have established, we have 2 on each side. And then, so basically we have 4n times 20. So 80n. 80n damage, n is equal to 2, so multiplication gives 160 damages. So now it's getting really, really bad here. And the spin. Okay, now it only have how many damages? It only, well, this dealt 160. This dealt 20, 20, 20, 20. So in 1 second, it dealt a total of 240 damages. So after 1 second, we only have, and then we're just gonna continue from here. So and after 3 seconds, this has perished from now on. Now you get the point of the game, and today we covered multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, and square. Next time when we meet stronger enemies, then we're gonna cover square roots, even imaginary numbers, when we actually shoot not to the front but to the sky, and then it's gonna deal more damage, and then we can even get touched on complex numbers, modulos, and even Gaussian integers. So stay tuned, and we'll see you next time.